In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Pepperstone app. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make it easy and clear. First, you'll need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you're not logged in, you might be prompted to do so. Logging in ensures that you can download and manage your apps efficiently. It also keeps your app history and settings synced across devices, which can save you a lot of hassle in the future. Once you've opened the Google Play Store, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you should type in the name of the app you wish to download. So go ahead and type Pepperstone into the search bar. Doing this will help the store filter through its vast library of apps and bring up the most relevant results for you. Now, let's move on to the next step. After typing Pepperstone into the search bar, you'll need to look for the official title, which is Pepperstone C Trader. This is important because there might be other apps with similar names. Choosing the official app ensures that you are downloading the correct application with all the right features and security measures. It's crucial to be sure you have the right one, especially when dealing with financial transactions. Once you've identified the correct app, it's time to download it. Tap on the Install button to download the app directly to your device. This step is simple but highly significant. By tapping Install, you're authorizing the app to be added to your device. It's a one-tap action, but it initiates the whole download and installation process. While the app is downloading, you might see a progress bar or a notification that indicates the download status. This is perfectly normal and gives you an idea of how much time is remaining. Keep an eye on this if you have a slow internet connection, as it might take a bit longer to complete. After the app has been installed, you will see an Open button appear where the Install button was. This makes sure your changes are saved and indicates that the app is ready to be launched. You can now tap Open to start exploring the app immediately. If you're new to Pepperstone, the app might guide you through some setup steps or offer a tutorial. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Pepperstone app. This little exercise is not just about getting the app on your device. It's about ensuring you have the right tool to manage your trading activities efficiently. Remember, having the app on your device means you can access your account anytime and anywhere, making trading easier and more convenient. Keep in mind, whenever you're downloading apps, especially those related to finances or trading, always verify you're getting the official version. This keeps your data secure and ensures you have the best possible experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy using the Pepperstone app, and happy trading!